Hi guys, and welcome to Converzly, my honest review. Alright, so basically this is already the editor, but I'm gonna go back to the dashboard and select okay, don't save this. I'm gonna go select template so you can see how this works from the start. My internet connection is kind of slow today, so hopefully this is gonna load up sometime. Alright, so this is the main dashboard. You got templates here that you can select. If you select a template, you can use it or click on preview. If you click on preview, it will open up a new window and then you will see the page here. So the main thing about this builder is that it's not just a builder, it also does all this text for you. So it writes you a part of the copy that you can edit later. So okay, let's just use this template. Testing 2. Then you go to start building. Then it asks you to customize your page. So basically, this will fill out some of the text on the page, and it will ask you what is the name of your coaching program, who is your avatar, who is the number one biggest benefit of your, what is the number one biggest benefit that users will experience, the number two biggest benefit. Great testimonial, second testimonial, third testimonial, some of the great results users have been having, like testimonials also. What call to action do you want, and who does your avatar who does your avatar strive to be? Okay, so then you fill all that up, click on the next step, and hopefully this page will load in this millennia, because my internet is super slow today. Alright, I think we have something. Alrighty. So this is the editor. I'm gonna skip this tour right now. Alright. So these are actually the elements that are already on the page. If you see, if I hover over them, you will see them highlighted on the page, and if I click on off, it will remove them from the page as well. Of course, you can select any of the elements on the page to edit them. Select this button so you can choose your own image. You can change the text, of course. When you click send users to a custom URL, you can have it open a pop-up, submit a form, download a file, or a custom URL where they will be redirected to. Alright, then you can move them up or down like this. You can change the size here. You can select maximum event here. Alignment, you can be like left, right. So it doesn't actually allow you to put it anywhere on the page like some builders do. But basically you do all the editing on this left sidebars over here. You can change the background color, the hover color, and the text color here, and of course the padding, which basically means how much space between the text and the outline of the border. And then when you select the text, you can change your font size. You can link it to something, change the text color and the text background color. Then of course you can move it up and down, and you can select the padding here. You can align the text like so, middle, left, right. You can duplicate it. Of course, maybe I would prefer to have this alignment on the main editing menu here when you click on the text, but that's fine. You can also duplicate it by going here, and I have been having some trouble with this because I'm not sure how to select. So if you click here, it will duplicate it. Okay, like so. Alright, so if you want to add a new element, you click on add new plus here. Then you select from all these elements here. These are headline, text, container, picture, video, button, list, dividers, and countdowns. So if you click here, you can select from these types of headlines, and then you just drag and drop it somewhere like here. Alright, so it will look like that, and then you can change the font and so on. The same goes for any element. So what I showed you previously, that will that will work for any element on the page. I just want to show you the different options here for text. So it will kind of show you like I guess just the boldness, the size of the heaviness of the text, and the size of it. Then if you go to containers, I think you get a pretty good idea of how this works. So you can select from any of these. Then we have pictures, which works a little differently. So you first select the style of the frame. So I don't know, let's say I selected like this circle, and then I wanna like drop it here. And after you have done that, you need to choose an image. I think I've uploaded like one image here, and I'm gonna use it right now. And it's gonna be way too big, so you're gonna have to shrink it, and you can do it like this. Alright, and of course then you can align it in the middle, left or right. Of course, you can also do the same with an image that you can with the button. So download a file, custom URL, submit a form, a pop-up, and that's it. Alrighty. So let's see what we have under video. So it supports YouTube, Vimeo, uploaded video. If you have it like on Amazon S3 or something, if it's an MP4 and it has a link to it, then you can upload it, and you can also use a custom embed code to insert something like videos, for example. Okay, so let's go under buttons to see what options we have here. Okay, so you just select your style, then edit it later. Nothing, not much to explain there. And this is the list, so you can see the preview of these elements here. Let me try and put something inside just to check if it works. Also, this allows you to connect. It allows you to connect your autoresponders here. I'm going to go into that a bit later, and it does allow you to enter a custom code autoresponder, which basically means that you can connect with any autoresponder out there. There are already made integrations, and I'm going to show you that a little bit later. And these are countdowns. So you just select this one because that's the only one I have here. And then you can change the options here. Countdown to an event, same time to all time zones, countdown to time on the page. You can change the position, of course, and that's basically it. If you click on the video here, then I'm just going to show you the options here. So you can shrink it also, make it bigger. You can choose to autoplay it, and of course choose a video and select it from the media library. So you can enter a URL or embed of the video below. And they support Vimeo and YouTube and URL to MP4 files, which he mentioned previously. You have your uploads here under page settings. You have SEO settings, which is basically your title, meta keywords, and meta description. You can enter your tracking code here as well, and you can email CRM RM settings over here. Alright, so you can choose your autoresponder, and they connect with Aweber, Mailchimp, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, SendRich, OnReport, GoToWebinar, ActiveCampaign, and you have a custom code that you can enter here and then just use it like that. You have a preview here, you can save it, you can publish it. Okay, so just let me. Okay, you can disable the copy engine or enable it. Basically, you can see that it already previously preloaded this text that I have, previously selected on the, on the page before you enter the editor. Okay, if you go to publish now, it will give you like a little URL, and you can change just this last part of it. If you want to do that, you can just go to change, and then you can enter your URL here, but it will change only that last part. What you can also do is download an HTML file and upload it to your cPanel, and you can get a WordPress plugin, which I did. Let me see. Where have I done that? Sorry, it's just loading and loading. Alright, so you upload that plugin, activate it, and then you will have this little box over here on the right, and then you just select one of the pages from the from your Conversely dashboard that you have published. So it's important that you publish it inside Conversely. And then you just select it here, and that's basically it. You click publish. You don't enter title here. If you do that, it will mess things up. So the only thing you do is just select the page, publish it, that's it. And then you can check it out here. So right now, that's the page loading here on my WordPress site. So that way you can upload pages on your WordPress. All right. There might be a little bit of a learning curve to this editor, but I think it's easy to use. It won't take you a long time. Of course, you can move everything around here on the on the vertical line, but if you want to change things like left to right or stuff like that, then you will mostly be using the editor on the left side over here. All right. So I think I showed you pretty much everything. I can go back to the dashboard now. So I want to show you some of the templates here. You have a 404 page, coaching page, converted page. So you have event, landing page, flow leads, JV pages, even landing pages, book sales pages and stuff like that. I just want to quickly go over them so you can see what templates are available. And on the top over here you have training. You can check out your accounts, change your avatars here. Boom, new avatar, and then you can save it. What is the name of your avatar, what does your avatar want to become. So these are people who will be targeted by your pages. So that's what you can fill up and then just save them. So what is your product service, what call to action do you want to offer, what is one thing your avatar will learn from your product, service, or giveaway. So that's very useful to just pre-set up and then just use it when you create the pages. And I want to and there's training here, so I can show you that as well, so you can see what's inside. And I'm going to show you the funnel as well. So you have account settings, avatar sections, everything is explained here. I don't think there are like videos. I think there are like images and text. Let me see. Oh, actually, this is a video. Okay, sorry. All right. Yeah. So let me just check out the funnel for you guys. All right. So this is the front end. Will be between 197 and 297. This is the main Conversely site builder, and the number one upsell will be $67 per month or for $97 yearly. And this is the Conversely template club, and the OTO2, the second upsell, will be email force. So let me see if it's explained here. So Conversely template club, it writes all the copy and allows your customers to create beautiful landing pages, but we want to over deliver, and that's why we decided to create a template club. We'll be creating even more than free copy templates for every type of funnel. I'm not sure how much every month, but that's what it is. The second upsell, email force. Okay, why would we add this? Because it's going to convert like gangbusters. We've created tools that solve processing problems in the marketplace, but we wanted to make it take it a step further. Wanted to add we wanted to add the ability for your customers to create down for you email force, like Conversely. Email force allows your customers to fill in questions, and it spits out over 200 email sequences, and that's basically works like when you like select this, and then it creates a page for you. So that's what it will do with emails. All right. So basically that's it, guys. Hope you like this review. If you have any questions, of course, post them below, and I'll be sure to answer them. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.